I actually wanted to go to the mall because the holiday season is coming up. No need to lie to you thinking that I live this extravagant lifestyle. I don't, you guys. Good morning, guys. Today I wanted to do a little vlog. I actually want to head to the mall because I have a few things that I have to return from the things that I bought during Black Friday. Mostly everything worked out. I had just ordered some pieces in various sizes because I kind of am in between sizes. So aside from that, I actually wanted to go to the mall because the holiday season is coming up. We have two specific events coming up that I'm searching for an outfit. So we do have a dinner event for my husband's company. And then for Christmas, I wanted to find something within the Christmas spirit. You guys know that I love a good black outfit. I mean, here we have one, but I kind of wanted to find something either with like sequins, maybe within the silver route, or even red possibly. I want to go to Zara, which recently opened up a new location in the mall closest to me, so hopefully they'll have some stuff there. I know I'm kind of contradicting myself in saying this, but I really want to be a little bit more cautious or conscious, I think is the word that I'm searching for. I feel like this year I bought a lot of things and I kind of have a lot of good pieces that I can mix and match, especially since I go for very neutral colors. It's very easy for me to put looks together. However, like I said, for these specific occasions, I do want to add something that is suitable for the occasion itself. To be honest with you, if I'm able to find something that I ultimately love, I will wear it for both occasions because I am totally fine with being an outfit repeater. If I love something, I just want to keep wearing it over and over again. Talking about pieces that I can wear over and over again, I do want to get into today's collaboration, and that is with Ana Luisa. You guys know I have been a fan of the brand for so long. We have been working together for quite some time now, and that makes me really happy. So I just wanted to go really quick over the pieces that I chose to wear today. I did go with these Zeta ring, which I absolutely love. She has been with me for quite some time, and as you can see, Ana Luisa's pieces just are really so well made. They are also tarnish and water resistant, which for me is absolutely incredible for the prices of these pieces. I shared with you in a recent video how I did also receive these really cute chunky hoops from them, and I've been loving them. The main thing that I do want to take a moment to point out about these hoops is how lightweight they are. And then I also wanted to go ahead and layer my go-to initial necklace. I have been a huge fan of this necklace. I just feel like it's so dainty. It really just pairs so nicely with any other necklace that you do want to layer it with, or whether you want to wear it on its own. And then I also just wanted to point out really quickly that with the holiday season coming up, Ana Luisa has a ton of really dainty, beautiful pieces that you can incorporate into your holiday looks. So I wanted to share with you guys two pieces that, again, I've had for a while, but I love. Whether you want to wear it for a specific occasion or whether you just want to dress up one day to go grab lunch, I think you can go ahead and incorporate jewelry as you please. These earrings have so many different ways in which you can style them. You can go ahead and wear the pearl closer to your hole and then just have the little bar dangle, or you can just kind of meet it halfway and have both pieces dangle very beautifully. I will have a link in the description below in case you are interested in shopping any of these pieces or looking for something specific in order to complete your holiday look. Keep in mind that Ana Luisa is running a huge sale at the moment, and you can find some of these pieces at up to 35% off. Once again, thank you so much to Ana Luisa for working together with me in this portion of the video. And then just wanted to share my nails really quick. It is this beautiful Essie wine color. I'll pop up the name on the screen because I forgot it right now. But it's actually my mom. I stole it from her this weekend when I went over, and I love it. I think I'm gonna do like a red nail December. We'll see how many red nail shades I can get through. All right, I think I've talked enough. Let's go ahead and head out. I do plan on picking up a treat because my favorite family member is in for the month. If you know, you know. So I feel like I want to go to Starbucks and pick up a warm coffee. Hopefully we'll be able to do that. Okay, so I brought two things into the fitting room, actually three, but the other dress didn't fit. I really like the color block on this dress, and I love this bandage sort of fabric. It's very flattering on the body. However, I just didn't love the thin spaghetti straps on this dress in particular. I was so excited to find this. It was on the clearance rack, but these little bows were just driving me crazy. It was a little bit oversized since it was a size large, but I felt like I could still pull it off. Honestly, if it wasn't because of those bows, I would have definitely gone ahead and gotten it. All right, well, that was a total fail. I definitely made money, girl math to the max, during that transaction because I went ahead and returned all my things and I didn't buy anything. So let's go and head over to Zara. People as to why they say that they don't shop there. Let me scooch back a little bit because I feel like you guys are right here with me. But I don't know, I think like sometimes when you go online you can find certain things that look nice, but then you either don't find them in the store, or when you get to the store they're just complete crap, to be honest. And I get it. I know that these like fast fashion retailers that, you know, they don't focus on doing quality things. I totally understand all of that. But as I said, I don't want to waste a lot of money for something that I'm just going to wear for 2 occasions. It's not going to be a piece that I'm going to have in my closet for years and years to come. It was just sort of like a little statement piece that I wanted to find in order to put together an outfit. I went to Mango, which I thought we were going to have potential, but that skirt was $100 and it felt like it was gonna fall apart at any moment. I actually liked the like shimmery top. I thought maybe I could do like pants with it, or maybe even the maxi skirt that I shared with you guys in my Black Friday haul, but ultimately it didn't fully convince me, so I didn't get it. I do think I'm gonna try to see if I can make it to H&M really quick. I'm just gonna wing it, go over there, see what they have, and hopefully we'll be able to find something. If not, I'm just gonna put together anything that I can find at home. Probably gonna end up being a black outfit anyways. This is cute. Nothing related to what I'm looking for, but I popped in. Don't I look so cute with a little backpack? This bag is super comfortable to wear as a backpack, but anyways, that's for another video. I popped into Bloomingdale's because they do have an outlet here at Dolphin. And is it me, or is like sequin like very particular, right? Like I feel like there's sequin that looks nice, but there's sequin that I don't care who the designer is, I feel like I'm gonna end the night missing half of that skirt because they just look so cheaply made. Let me know if I'm the only one that feels like this. So, oh wow, that's a lot of makeup. For the little amount of makeup that I put on, it seems like I have a full-on face of makeup. Sorry about that, guys. But anyways, we are back home. Unfortunately, that shopping vlog was a complete fail. I hope you enjoyed the little bit of eye candy that I was able to catch for you guys. I'm just gonna go through my closet, see what I find. And you know what? If it is an all black outfit, it is an all black outfit. I don't know why I'm overthinking it so much. Maybe I can just add like an accent piece, maybe a pair of red sandals, which I have. Or maybe I can turn one of my Hermes scarves, which have touches of red in them, into something, or accessorize the outfit some way that it'll make it pop like that. Now, no Starbucks, unfortunately, was consumed in the making of this video. I was thinking that I do need to take a break from working out because I got, not an injury, but like something sparked from a previous injury, nothing too crazy. However, I still want to take about 1 or 2 days to rest. So I thought I would come back home and do my go-to snack. However, I went a little bit overboard on the sweet, so I will show you guys right here. It is a bowl of oatmeal, and then what I do is I add my graham cracker protein inside, which is absolutely delicious. This is one of my favorite snacks that allows me to also get in the protein that I need. And then I just added a handful of chocolate chips, and my sister-in-law has got us hooked on this Trader Joe peanut butter. So delicious. And it's so funny because she can't have anything peanut related, but my brother loves it, so she mentioned it to us. So that's it for now. I did check and I should be getting in my bag that I mentioned to you guys I ordered during Black Friday today. So of course, if that comes in, I'll go ahead and do an unboxing. Guess what just arrived? Okay, I think you guys can see it here. I switched out of my dirty makeup sweatshirt and just put on this little Amazon cardigan, but I'm still wearing shorts underneath. No need to lie to you thinking that I live this extravagant lifestyle. I don't, you guys. But I'm excited that our little piece is here and that I can share with you guys what I picked up. As you all know, I have embarked on my Hermes journey this year. So I think since I decided to, I haven't really bought any other bag. I think I got the Naghetti large St. Bart's tote, which I wanted to try on as a personal item. But aside from that, I haven't really gotten anything else. But I have also been kind of doing a little bit more research on contemporary brands, or sort of brands that still have that quality of a handbag that I want, but that are under the $1,000 price mark. And I know that can sound kind of funny because I'm on this journey to buy a bag that is over $10,000, but I've already touched up on that in other videos, so I'm not going to get too into that in today's video. So this is actually a brand that I have seen previous people talk about, and then I have a influencer that I follow that she actually got this size a while ago, and I saw it and I thought it was so cute, but I just kind of put it in the back of my mind. But I do want to have a bag that I can use for my travels that is not necessarily my Speedy B25, because even though I love this damier band print and I really do feel like you can pair it with anything, there are times where I pack certain pieces of clothing that the print on the damier band, and then if I do have a small print or any print at all on my outfit, I feel like it clashes a little bit. That's where this piece comes in. I'm so excited. I just love unboxing a brand new handbag, no matter what the cost is, or like, I get so excited. So without further ado, here is the bag in question. Smells leathery, and it is from Cuyana. I hope I'm pronouncing that correct. So I opted to get their small system tote. I believe that's the name of it. Super cute. This is the, obviously, as you can tell, I'm unboxing it with you guys. So let me just do a quick little inspection. Okay, let me bring her up close. Hopefully you guys can like really pick up on the color. Of course, I had to go for the beautiful cognac color. They had them on sale for Black Friday. They had actually the black and this color, and then like a taupey color, but that one was sold out. So I was just debating between this one and the black, and obviously this color will always win over black. So I opted to pick this one up, and I felt like it would be a good color anyways to take with me on my travels. They do style it on the website with a beautiful chunky leather crossbody strap that is not included with the bag. So I had to add the strap. Unfortunately, the strap was not on sale, so this one was actually full price. But as you guys can see, it comes even separately packaged in another little dust bag. The dust bags are thin, nothing too crazy, but I still appreciate when they package each individual item in separate dust bags. By just like first glance, the leather seems extremely like thick and hardy. So I really like that. Wow, look at this. It even comes with like a little plastic case right here, I guess, so that it doesn't damage the hardware itself. Now this I'm not too crazy about, because that just means that over time that piece of leather is just gonna pop. I know that it also has to do with the fact that it was probably folded that way. I'll probably just have to end up putting like a little hair scrunchie, like a clear scrunchie thing to hold it in place there. Okay, so since the bag came packaged, unfortunately they kind of packaged it in the sense that the top handles were kind of crooked like this. I can definitely see that fixing itself over time. It is leather, so it's very malleable. And then here's what she looks like crossbody. So I love it. I think it's exactly what I wanted for like a travel bag, because you guys know that I love to have my versatility, especially when I'm traveling. So I really like that it has the top handle where I can go ahead and grab it for night times and take it like this. It does seem to have a pretty good size where it'll fit all my things. Like if I need to carry an umbrella, I can put it in there, and then everything else that I need. Even though it doesn't have a zippered closure, it does have like some magnetic clasps that are pretty sturdy and pretty strong, and it keeps the bag closed, as you can see. So it's pretty much like if it had a zipper, and the strap is so comfortable. Wow, I definitely see why it is. Oh my god, that is gonna drive me crazy. I definitely need to put this, like, yeah, you see, like that makes all the difference in the world. So there's the strap on the back. And it is adjustable, which, you know, we all appreciate so much. Like, how can a $100-$300 handbag think about these things, and then these bags that cost thousands and thousands of dollars cannot provide us an adjustable strap? Mind blown. But yes, this is my new little bag. Let me know what you guys think. I actually love it. I think it's perfect. I love that I'm able to explore a different brand and sort of get like a perspective of a different brand that, in my opinion, really isn't breaking the bank. I believe it was discounted, I think 30%. So regardless, besides from that, it's still really well priced at about $200 and something. So yeah, I think she's a winner. Let me know what you guys think. Of course, I always like hearing you guys' opinion, so make sure to leave me your thoughts in the comment section down below of this little cutie. Alright guys, so that does it for this video. Once again, I want to thank Ana Luisa for collaborating with me in this video to share with you guys a few new pieces that I was able to add into my collection. Make sure to check out the link in the description box in case you want to add a piece for a specific holiday occasion that you have, or you want to gift a piece to someone, or you want to gift yourself a special piece that you know that you can enjoy and wear every single day. As always, I appreciate you guys taking some time out of your day to spend with me, and I hope to catch you all in my next one. Bye everyone.